Now I request Dr. Parag sir to explain about how to do a project. Can you please give us a basic outline, sir?
Yes. Dr. Anirban has made my job a little easier by showing the timeline of STS. So what usually happens is that the students approach the guide, have some topic in their mind, narrow down the topic to make a research question which is researchable, make it more specific and focused. And then that's how they prepare the proposal and think about what all things would go in conducting that research work during the studentship. So your research proposal is actually like just like a blueprint or your plan of how do you want to conduct that particular research. Now, before you can start doing the research, uh, the newer guidelines and principles says that anyone, whether it's a student or a health professional or a practicing doctor doing research, everyone has to pass the research proposal through the ethics committee to see that it does not cause any harm or the ethical standards are upheld in whatever research work that is being undertaken. So before starting the data collection, the student has to get the proposal approved by the ethics committee, and once ethics committee gives us an approval in writing, the students can start data collection. So for this, uh, uh, the ICMR has said that it should ideally it can start from the day one itself. So when you are preparing the proposal and right at the time of submitting the proposal, if you have done the ethical clearance, you can submit your ethical clearance certificate to ICMR. If not, at least you should be doing it before starting the data collection. So for that, the timeline is mentioned on the website is till 15th of August at least, latest. That's the latest. Right? And then once having got the approval, you start the data collection, which the ICMR is giving the stipend for 2 months. So your project would be something where you can complete the data collection process in 2 months time approximately, followed by your data processing, data analysis and report preparation, and finally submitting the report to ICMR, and also going ahead with uh, publishing your findings in a scientific journal, as well as if you wish, you can as well present your research findings into medical conferences. These days, many students conferences have come up. Many of them in the online mode also are now available. So you also have the opportunity to present your findings in front of the scientific audience. So this is how the journey of a project moves on.
Thank you, sir.